How to change app icons on iPhone quick tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your app icons on your iPhone if you want to customize your whole iPhone experience. So I will be doing this on iOS 16 and you can see we have our apps right here, the default ones. So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to actually go to your Google Chrome, or you can just open up Safari. And here we can search for some aesthetic app icons. So I'm just going to go with this one. We'll go to the images. You can see we have a lot of different icons created here. We have different styles. So now it totally depends on you what style you're looking for. If you wanted to go for maybe like black and white, you can search that. If you were looking for aesthetic, you can select that icon. So let's just go for a specific icon. So maybe I'm looking to add music icon. So I'm going to go with music and we're going to search for it. Okay. So we have this, image here. These all look pretty good. What I will do is I'm going to select maybe this one right here. So all we will do is I'm gonna save this image. So we're gonna click on save image. Once it's done, I will just get back to my iPhone. Now you need to make sure that you have the Apple shortcuts right here. These are Siri shortcuts that we have, so make sure that you have this app right here. So I'm gonna open it up. So this is our Siri shortcuts. Here we can create different automations and run them. So you're gonna click on this plus at the top here. Once you click on it, then it will allow you to create an action or an automation. Create a shortcut to actions for your everyday apps. So you will click on add action to create a new action, or what I can do is we have open app here. So this is like a new action that we can create. So I'm going to go with open app. What app I want to open? So here we will open up an app. So I'm going to click on app here and choose my music app. So let's select the music from here. So I'm going to click on done. Now what will happen is we have an action, and if I click on open app, it takes me to my music right here. So you can see the action is working. Every time I will click right here, the music app will be opened. Now what we need to do is we're going to click on these three dots at the top, and we can now actually move it to the home screen. Okay, so you're going to select it and then you're going to click on share and click on add to home screen. So once you click on add to home screen, this is the preview. The preview says open app. We don't want that. Select it, choose a photo. So this is where you will choose the photo from your gallery. Click on choose and there you go. Now click on add, done. So we'll get back and now you can see we have our application right here. So you can see this is our music. Select it and you can see it will take me to my music app, and we have this very cool looking icon for music. This way I will change all the icons and I will create a theme myself, and I will change the look of my iPhone and all of the icons. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.